What is up, Facebook, YouTube? It's Anthony here. It's Friday evening. We're out here at Target in Concord, North Carolina. We're here to change the moldings and repair the carpet. As you can see here, how damaged it is. The moldings are coming off. It's starting to be a trip hazard. So we're here to take care of this and service our local Target. Anyway, stay tuned. I'll show you guys some results as we get going. Alrighty, we're almost done getting all the tile cut. See how much we're taking out. All the way down. We got about this much left, say another 15-20 feet. Alrighty, look how good this looks. All the moldings changed. Secure so nobody trips. Carpets reinstalled. Looks fantastic. Alrighty. Hope everybody has a great night. Once again, as always, thanks for watching.